You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is 12 greater than 10. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group all y terms on the left side of the inequality. Add 2y to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is 12 greater than 10.